This conference will now be recorded.
Hi team, good morning everybody. Is working on ETL tool? Team, anyone is working from ETL tool? ETL background? Any ETL tool?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, I'm working on InfoPC.
Yes, which tool? Informatica data
Informatica,
stage? Abhinishu?
no, Informatica
Informatica.
Power.
Good. Okay, Informatica Power Center. Okay, fine.
I'm working on SAS and ADF.
One more person. Oh,
Hello.
yes. Okay.
ADF.
Yes, ADM. Okay.
Azure Data
Okay.
Factory.
Yeah, that is also ETL tool. Yeah. So any idea why we need to learn Talent? Because of programming languages, n number of ETL tools are there in the market. Talent, it should be some benefits, right? First of all, why we need to learn Talent? Because we have other ETL tools in the market. Okay, what is the reason we need to learn? Any idea first?
Talent is faster than 7 times other than ETL tools. And also we need
Okay,
to
very
use that all sources like irrespective of source, irrespective of destination. And also we need to analyze the data, cleansing, all those things we are handling in the Talent tool. Like no need to uh, go and take subscription and add-ins not required for Talent. Actually, newly
okay.
established Talent tool to more on add-ons coming on. It's a recently, not recently, it's a ongoing product, and also we need to handle them without irrespect of add-ons. We're using big data, Amazon Web Services, all those things.
Yes, that is the one of the main important point. Other than that, others. Talent is a ETL tool. Okay, so ETL means extract the data from different types of source system, perform the some of the transformation, load into the target. Target is the database, whatever may be. So then by using the target database, the reporting teams, they will generate the reports. Okay, that is, we'll cover it later, no issues. So why we need to learn Talent? So that is the one reason I got it from him. Others, Informatica also same ETL tool, data stage, SSIS, Ab initio. N number of tools are available in the market, but Talent, why it's required to learn? The same thing I can achieve Informatica also, right? So why we need to learn means the first point. So this is the open source. Okay, we can download from the website. We can develop the code. So if you go for enterprise edition, some of the new features are available. So suppose assume that Informatica product I am getting, suppose I'm getting, assume that 10 lakhs I'm getting it. I'm getting 10 lakhs means other ETL tools. Okay, but Talent I can get around 3 to 4 lakhs. I can get it between 3 to 4 lakhs. Almost I can save half of the amount by purchasing the product itself. Suppose I want to develop one project. Assume that Informatica I need 5 people. Okay, so same Talent also I need 5 people. So I have invested 10 lakhs here for purchasing product itself. Okay, so here for purchasing product I have invested 3 lakhs. Assume that 5 lakhs. Okay, so I have saved the half of the amount. So compare with Informatica other ETL tool. See, I am saving the some amount for purchasing product. For employees I can give little bit more salary, right? If you learn talent, this is one of the best benefit for you. Okay, so package wise, you will get a little bit more compared with other ETL tools. See, because of other ETL tools, I already investing a little bit more cost. Okay, so I can give compare with talent, I can give less salary. Okay, this is the one of the, because of this is the open source. This is not a open source Informatica. Okay, some of the companies, smaller companies, they are using open source. They are not using the licensed one also. Okay, so without paying some amount, they're doing the coding and all. Okay, so they have a number of benefits. This is the one of the benefit. Okay, so if you go for market wise, talent, it is a very good demand, because of nowadays all project they are moving into cloud system. Other ETL tools, they have less components, but talent, they have n number of cloud components. By using the components, we can easily achieve the customer requirement. Cloud deployment, we can easily achieve it by using the talent. But other ETL tools also having same features, but not that much. This is the one of the major benefit. We can easily achieve the customer requirement by using the talent. We can easily develop the code. This is a simply user-friendly graphical user interface. Same others also. If you go for market wise, I can say Malaysia, n number of openings. Malaysia, Singapore, India also. I can say Malaysia having n number of openings. You will get their onboarding in the, because of now a COVID situation. They are recruiting people. They are onboarding on online itself. After everything is fine, COVID, so they're asking them to come Malaysia. So opportunity wise, it is very good for talent, and also easy to learn it, easy to understand it. These are the benefits. Any doubts, team, as per now? Why we need to learn talent? Any doubts, team, as per now? If you learn talent, we can do three types of jobs. Three types of jobs you can apply. You can apply for talent development. That is, then you go for ETL testing. Then you can go for the talent production support. There is a talent, other ETL tools. Suppose I want to schedule the jobs. I have developed the code. So we will not run manually, right? We can schedule the jobs, right? For all ETL tools. So talent, they have tag. Okay, by using the tag, we can easily schedule it. But other ETL tools, if you want to dependency, suppose first I want to run this process, I want to run the next process means, so that future facility, the scheduling facility is not available for other ETL tools. They have to use third-party schedulers like Control-M, Atomic. They have to use a third-party scheduler. But talent, they have dependency scheduler also available. We can easily schedule it by using the tag. We will cover the tag also in my course. We will cover the tag also, scheduling, how to schedule the jobs, how to monitor the jobs. But nowhere we will cover it tag, because of this is a licensed one. But we will cover here. Okay. So let me show you what are the topics we will cover in my classes. So talent software, it is a free of cost. You can download it from website, even though I will provide you all the required talent softwares. Along with, I will cover the data warehousing concept. Who is not from the ETL background, So we will cover the ETL concept, data warehousing concept. Okay. So along with we'll cover the SQL, required SQL. Okay, along with some of the Unix commands. Unix nobody will ask it, but anyway we'll cover it. Okay. So along with the talent, this is the main part for us. Okay, all the talent components we'll cover it. Okay, all the talent components along with we will cover with one database like Oracle, that is called as SQL, how to connect the Oracle. Along with we will cover the Redshift. In the real-time project we will show you how to connect it, how to connect the Redshift, because of talent is a cloud-based tool, right? Mainly cloud integration purpose they have using the talent, right? So mainly if you want to learn talent, it's required basic SQL. Okay, then we can easily learn it. So for that one, we're covering the Redshift also here. Okay, instead of Oracle, we'll cover Oracle along with Redshift. Okay, so Redshift nowhere will cover it, but we will cover here. Other databases also how to connect it will execute, will show you like Teradata, SQL Server, DB2, MySQL. We'll show you everything here, full package along with Redshift, Aurora DB, SCD type 1, type 3 also will cover it by using SCD, without SCD, along with the batches, how to create a batches, and we'll show you. So we'll show you tag also by scheduling the tag, and real-time scenarios and interview questions will explain it, and project explanation, mock interviews will conduct it. We'll provide the full package here. It may 35 to 40 working days, daily 1 hour. So the timing is 7:45 to 8:45. Okay, this is the course content. Any doubts, team? As per now, if you have doubts, you can go through that. Is it clear why we need to learn talent? If you learn something, we should be some beneficiary, right? We'll provide full package with the real-time scenarios. Full real-time scenarios. We have we will provide the recordings. Each class recordings we will provide. Along with we will provide the documents. We have already prepared it. So we'll provide the documentation also. Each class. Let me show you some the sample documentation. Just 1 second. The documentation, right? So we have all the scenarios, each class documentation we have prepared with clear steps we have. We will provide the document tutorials. Along with you can provide the recordings. Okay. Even though if you have doubts, you can contact at any time. So each component, what it will do, what is the scenario, what are the steps with clear with the pictures. So we'll provide this document. If I give this document without myself, you can learn it. So that type of preparation we did here. Okay, if you are from working ETL tool, means you can easily by using this document you can handle it, develop it the code. Okay, we'll see some of the examples. If you have any doubts, ask me now.
Yeah, Venkat, what about talent DI?
That is a data integration we are covering. Talent data
Okay.
integration full. Along with big data components. See, we are covering the big data only. So big data integration, talent, open studio for big data. That is the 7.4 latest version. It's released October 20. Still it's not available. We'll provide the latest version, 7.3 version. We'll cover some of the big data components also. Because of that is a fully licensed. So what are the required things we can cover here?
Okay, what is your mention, like you're giving the theoretical description for enterprise version also. What all components not existing in open source?
Yes. Theoretically, we'll cover it. Suppose I have Redshift. I can show practically.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose Aurora DB I don't have.
Okay.
That is a different database, right? So that one
Yes.
I can theoretically cover it. If you
Okay.
know one connection, Oracle connection, everything is same. But even though also Redshift, I will show you real-time project, whichever we are real-time working. That project only I will show you the project explanation, how to connect what are the you daily facing issues. If you go outside, if you learn from the 35 to 40 days here, if you go outside, you can get the job easily. I am sure that assurity I will give. You can handle like 3 years, 4 years experience level, you can handle like that. That much training will provide here.
Okay.
Any doubts, team? Others, nobody speaking.
Venkat, any certification support like talent certifications?
I have older version dump. I will give you. Uh, you can clear it. I have some tutorials. I will give you. Okay. If you go through the documents, I hope you can clear it. We'll help you that process. Don't worry.
Okay.
We
What
have
is
some
the
contacts. We'll
price?
give.
What is the price of talent?
That is the 4 nights. I think 10,000 cost.
10,000. Okay.
Yeah, that is company will reimburse it. If you are working in, the company will reimburse it. Does not matter. This is they will give the some voucher, but that your supervisor, your team lead, your manager should be approved. That's it. If they approve, then you can register it in website. You can before going through prepare it 5 to 10 days. Because of that is we are investing 10,000, right? Before going to write exam, we have to prepare it. If you have certified with if you got certification now, you will get n number of openings for onshore opportunities. Singapore, Malaysia, you can get it without certification. For Singapore, you will get n number of openings. Certification means more preferable. But Indian companies, no, it's not required. If you want to go America, Switzerland, so if you have certification, it will be more valuable. We will teach you certification questions also, some of the questions. We will mention this question at the time of explaining a topic. This question will come in certification. This question will come in interview. Okay, so this question, this topic is useful in the real time at the time of developing. We have n number of components, right? We will not use all the components. We will mostly use around 20 to 30 components regularly. If you learn 20 to 30 components, that is fit for your job. Talent having a n number of components. I can say more components. I can say around 1 to 100 databases we can connect, it seems. We'll show you. Let me log in the talent. Let me log in. We'll show you a simple example. Then you understand. Between any doubts, team?
Yeah, hi Venkat. This is Rakesh.
Yes. Hi, Rakesh.
Yeah, like do you work for any company or only training you do?
Yes. No. I am working in one of the big MNC.
Okay.
Okay. So I am having around 9 years of experience in IT industry with the help of data stage and talent.
Okay, 9 years of experience in talent only or any other technology?
No. Data stage around 5 years in talent. 4+.
Okay, 5. Okay. So you are going to help us on real time also, right?
Yes. That's what I told, right? I will show you tag. scheduling, nobody will show you if you go for any institute. So I will show you TAC also here. Scheduling, how to schedule job. Real-time project I will explain. That's what I told.
Okay.
So the full real-time. If you go outside, you should not dependence on with anyone. That much I will teach you here. You will clear the interview. I am sure that because of my ex-students, they got Malaysia offers. They are working it on without anybody help.
Okay.
They got big MNC companies like Tech Mahindra, Lenovo, Deloitte. N number of openings, I can say, like all companies, HCL, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, every company having openings. If you have immediately joining, N number of openings. If it is 3 months, little bit less.
Okay.
That is let me log in it talent. I will show you some example. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll cover the talent open studio for a big data version. So if you know the big data version, data integration, all components will come in. So let me start some example. Let me go for some example. So assume that I have one file, one text file. So talent is called as ETL, means E for extraction. Extract means read the data. Transformation means perform the sum of the calculations, some of the transformations for the required format and load into the somewhere target. Okay, assume that I have one text file. I have one text file. So I have one text file. Okay, so I have one text file. So I want to read this text file. I want load into another text file. Oh, this is not good. Okay, let me open. So I have one text file. I have some data. So I want to read this data. I want load into another file, but I don't want to load all the data. I want to load only. My customer is asked, I want to get the salary who is getting more than 5,000. Those details only I want to load into my another file. Okay, this is my task. This is my scenario. This is my customer requirement. Okay, so how to do in talent means, I'm explaining simple example. So this is the text file. So I want to read the text file means in the talent there is a one component. By using the T file input delimited component, we can read the data. So I want load another file means there is a one component T file output delimited component. We will take it. Between I want to do the some logic, right? What is the logic? I want to filter the data. So for the filtering, there is a one component T filter row. By using the T filter row component, I can filter the data. So this is my requirement. This is the way to do it. How to do it, we'll see in the talent. Let me show you. So first I want to read this file means, EMP file means we have to import the metadata. So I want to scan the metadata. That is called as import the metadata. Okay, this is the employee number, employee name, job, salary, DPT number. This is the column names. From employee number, one column to another column, something is separating. That separation is called as a delimiter. So what is the delimiter in the file? So my file having the delimiter comma. Okay, so first I need to import the metadata. How to import metadata? Let me show you. So this is, I have already opened the talent. Okay, we'll provide the installation steps also, one day class. Okay, let me show you now. Metadata importation, click the metadata. This is called as a repository. Okay, in the repository, it will store all the jobs, all the metadata, routines, everything. It will store it. This is storage kind of thing. So there is a metadata and there is a file, right? I want to read the text file, right? So there is a file delimiter option. Suppose I want to read the database.
What is the
We have to,
routine?
routines, custom routines. Suppose I'm not unable to achieve it by using the talent, we can write the custom code. Okay, so we can call that code by using the talent component. We can easily achieve the customer requirement. There is a system routines, like suppose I want some of the dates format. So it's some of the inbuilt functions. That is the user defined functions is available. We can call it. That is called as a custom routines, system routines. Even though custom system routines I'm unable to achieve it, so I can write the custom code. We will explain it in the regular classes. Routines also will cover here how to write it. So that custom routines, it will be written by Java code. This the code is backend. It is written by Java code. So if you want to write the custom code, the Java knowledge is required. Anyway, we'll teach here. It's not that much difficult. What are the required things only we'll teach here. Okay. So as for now, I want to import the file, text file. Right click it, create a file delimiter. Provide the file name, which file I want to read it. So provide the file name like srcemp, right? So src emp. So I have already exist. Let me give demo 10. So click on next. So provide the file name, click on next. Browse the file, which file I want to read it. I want to read the meta file, right? So browse that file. So go for the source. One second, let me go for the source. So let me go for the source. So select the text here. It will display all the text files. Okay, so I want to read the srcmp, right? Select the srcmp file. So it will, after selecting the file, it will content, it will display in the here itself, file viewer. Okay, don't change anything. Click on next. So my file having the delimiter comma for the employee number, employee name, job, the delimiter is comma. So I need to use the field separator is comma. By default, it's having semicolon. So I need to select the comma here. So I have my file having first line having the column names. That is called as a header. We can call as a first line as a column names. I can say that first line having header. So if you're having a column names in the my file, so how many rows available? One row, first row, right? So I need to select the header. How to select the header? By default, it's disabled here. There is a one checkbox. Set heading row as a column name. If having header means we need to select this checkbox. Set heading row as a column name. Let me select it because of my file having the header. Hence I am selecting here. So after selecting the field separator, after selecting the header, refresh the preview. It will display the actual data. It will display the actual data. So this is my file having content. Okay. So after that, click on next. Click on next. Click on next. So it will by default automatically it will assign the sum of the database. It will check the data. If it is integer means it will check some random rows records. Based on that, it will assign the sum of the by default data types and lengths. Okay. So suppose I want to change the length means we can change it as per the customer requirement. In the real time, they will give one physical mapping document. Based on the physical mapping document, they will give the source table name, source column names, data types and lengths and nullability. Everything they will give in the mapping document. Based on the mapping document, we have to select the data types and lengths. So as per now, employee number I want to increase 10. I have increased. Suppose I want my employee name is a varchar, that is a string. So I need to increase the 255. I can increase it. Okay. So job, everything as per the customer requirement, change the data types and lengths. Suppose I want salary, I want to increase 10. I can increase it. Job, I want to increase 50. I can increase it. So after changing the data types, how to change data types? There is a drop down. So change it accordingly. So as per now, I don't want to change anything. So click on finish. So after changing the data types and lengths as per the physical mapping document, click on finish it. We'll show you physical mapping document, how it will be there. Okay, so now I have imported the file. Okay, now I want to create the job. So how to create the job, we'll see now. So there is a job designs in the left hand side in the repository. There is a job designs. Create a job designs, create a job, provide the job name. So my job name is demo filter. Okay, click on finish it. It will open the designer workspace that we can call as a canvas. So designer workspace is opening. The right side is called as a palette. All the components is available. Okay, so now I want to read the text file means, as I said, I want to read the text file means what is the component I have to use it. We have to use the T file input delimiter, right? As I said, so we have to use the T file input delimiter for reading the file. So I have already imported a metadata of the source, right? So simply I will drag that source metadata to the designer workspace. So demo 10, right? I remember it. So srcemp demo 10 I have imported. So where is available? Let me check it. Demo 10. Can somebody find it? This one. So simply drag that metadata to the designer workspace. I want a text file, right? So we need to select the T file input delimiter. So click on OK. So I want load another file means I will take the T file output. Keep the cursor here. There is a n number of ways. I will explain all the ways. So as per now, so I want to use the output file T. Keep the cursor here. T file output delimited. So select the T file output delimiter. So between my logic is I want to filter the data. There is a one component. So take the T filter row, keep the cursor and type the T file in. So it will display all the components. Select the proper component. I want to filter the data. So I am selecting the T filter row. So I want to process the data from the source to target means we need to give the links, mapping links, and we have to define the properties. So let me show you how to do it. So click the row and main. So click the row and filter. Okay, so double click the source, verify the properties. Because of we have taken from the repository, right, metadata, no need to do any changes. If you want changes, we can do it later. Double click the T filter row. So I want to define one condition. What is my condition, team? Can somebody? I want to filter the salary greater than 5,000. So how to define the condition means there is a double click the T filter row. There is a plus symbol. Add the plus symbol. So what is my condition, team? Salary greater than 5,000. So I need to select the operator greater than value 5,000. So actually we will in the real time we will never hard code the any values. We will create the parameters that is called as in the talent context variables. We will explain it. So how to create the context variable also, because of if someone see the code, they should not identify what is the value. Okay, so yes, that's why we will create the context variables. There is a three types: local variable, project level, external context variable. We'll show you how to configure it later. So I have defined my condition. So now I want to define the where I have to save my output. So double click the T file output delimiter, browse the file target path. So where I have to load it my output. So go for the target. So TGT, target means TGT, demo filter dot text. So what is my delimiter I want? I want my delimiter comma. I can give the comma. So I want a header. So my source having the column names, right? Same column names I want to load into the target also means I will include the header. Okay. So let me run the job. So I have defined my job. So I have developed my job file and save it. save the job. Now I have to execute it. So how to execute means there is a run tab. Click the run button. It will run the job. The job is running. So if you face any errors, the job will fail. If the job is success, it will not face any issues. The existing code will come 0. Okay. So my source having the 8 records. My target, it went to 4 records. So let me verify it whether my condition is working or not. So let me go for the target. All the records will coming. So demo file filter, right? Okay. So open it. So all the values, salary values should be greater than 5,000. Why 5,000 is not came? Can somebody tell me, please? Any idea? See, I have given greater than 5,000, but here 5,000 is not coming. Why? Why it's not coming?
We have not used the equals.
Yes, exactly, you're correct. So I didn't use the greater than or equal to. If I define equal to condition, it will come 5,000 also. So let me show you. So I'm giving the greater than or equal to 5,000 now. I want to display the output also 5,000 along with greater than, who is getting more than 5,000. Those records also I want to commit. Let me run the job. I have changed the code. So save it. No need to save it. If you run the job automatically, backend it will save it. So let me clear the log. I'm sure that job will fail it. Okay, so because of job is failed, so let me show you error why it is failed. See, now my file is already there. The error is, please check it. My file is already exist. Whether I want to do overwrite it. Overwrite means delete the target data, load it, or else append the data. What are the existing data? Keep it along with what are the source data is coming it, append it. Whether any one method we need to follow it. So that's why the job is failing. Okay, so go for the T file output delimiter. So suppose I want to append it means you can simply select the append option. Suppose I want to truncate it. So delete the source data. What are the target is available? Delete the target data. What are the source is coming? Load the source data means there is an advanced setting. There is a one checkbox. Throw an error if the file is already exist. Uncheck this checkbox. Throw an error if the file is already exist. Uncheck this checkbox. Means it will overwrite the data and it will load the fresh data. What are the source data is coming? So let me run the job. So it will not face any issue now. It will successfully, it will finish it. Because of it failed, whether I want to truncate it, whether I want to append it. So that option we didn't select it, so that's why it was failing. So my source having 8 records, now loaded into 5 records. Let me check it. So my target, so previously 4 records. When I reload it, it should come 5,000 also. Yes. I can read the data. So I want to filter the data means by using the T filter row component, I can filter the data. I can load into another file. Same like that. We have taken the files. We can do it by using the database also. Okay. Any doubts, team, as per now? Are you understanding? This is very simple logic.
Yeah,
The way of
append the data.
explanation. Pardon?
Sorry.
Pardon, please.
Append the data means incremental.
Yes, yes. Incremental. What are
Means
see? Let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. So what is the my source data here? How many records are there? 5 records, right? Team. When I run the job again, the same data, 5 records. What are the source? How many records are there? 5 records, right? 8 records. It will filter it. Again, 5 records. It will load. 5 plus 5, 10 records will come. Let me run it. Show you. Oh, 1 second. Let me cancel it. I need to make as append, right? So go for the T file output delimiter. We'll explain all the properties in the regular classes. So click the append mode. So I'm running it. So if I run it, previously 5 records, again 5 record is coming. 5 plus 5, 10 records it will come. That is called as append mode. So let me reload it. So keep on increasing. So let me Let me open it. See, 10 records will come. Okay, so this is called as a
Then in this case, duplicate records are coming, right?
yes, it will come 100%. So I want to
Then
remove
what
the
is
duplicate. There is a component. Yeah, actually, based on the customer requirement, we'll use it.
okay?
See, this is my source data. Same data is coming for every day. It will come new data, right? So my customer is asked. So I want the customer will provide the some data, right? So that the data, if it's today I have loaded the same data. Tomorrow it may not come, right? Same data. Because of this is my file. I don't have new data. So it is loading it. So that is a customer decision, customer requirement. We have to use whether append mode, whether truncate mode. So they will at the time of discussing requirement gathering, we can discuss and we can plan the design and we can develop the job accordingly.
Okay.
Okay, this is a simple
There is,
example. Any doubts, Tim?
yeah, there is no option to fetch the only single record. Like single record means previously we are putting the condition is greater than 5,000. Next greater
Yes.
than or equal to 5,000. It means only one record need to fetch. There is option
We
like
can write multiple conditions. We can write n number of conditions. Okay.
actually in this there is no option to incremental. Incremental means day one we receive the 4 records. Day two
Yes.
source file added. Additionally
Yes. Yes.
added the records. But we need
Yes.
to ignore the 4 records. Then only fetch the one record second day.
Yes.
That kind
Yeah.
of
That for that one T filter, it's not possible. There is a tmap component. We have to compare the source again and target. If there is a new record is coming, insert it. If it's already there, that record, if there is any update, simply update it. That is called as
okay
a
okay.
initial load, incremental load process. So we'll explain it how to do it. Incremental load.
In this
Uh,
in this model there is no option.
uh, yeah, for
The
this
T
design, it's
filter.
not possible. We have to do
Okay.
some workaround. We'll explain it.
Okay.
That is called as
Okay. Okay.
SCD
No
type 1,
problem.
type 1, type
No
2.
no problem. No problem. Yeah. Continue.
This is important. If you know SCD type 2, most of the project they will use SCD type 1, type 2, type 3. Nobody will use it, but even though we'll cover it with the SCD, without SCD, both will cover it. Any doubts, team? Are you understanding my language? Means are you understanding the topics whichever I am explaining? I can give assurance from my side. If you daily attend class, if you daily practice it, I am sure that because of market is very good, you will get the job easily in talent. Because of packages also you will get more. I am sure that another 15 to 20 years it will be there, this talent tool, because of cloud. You can survey another 20 years, 10 to 15 to 20 years you can survey in this technology. It is coming some new things. Then we have to keep on learning for new things. That is for same for any technology, right? So even though this talent also it will come new features. So new versions they will release it. So we have to focus. We have to if the new things came, we have to catch them. That's it.
And Venkata, I can see the tool name as Open Studio for Big Data. For data
Yes, this
integration,
is
it
open
is a
source.
separate tool.
Same. This is also the one more software is there, talent data integration. So if you cover the talent big data version, all the data integration versions it will come and all the data integration components will be there in the big data. Okay. So if you know big data version, all the data integration components it will come. Okay, it will cover it all the
Yeah.
data integration topics.
Okay, when we go with profile, do we need to go for Open Studio for big data profile or data integration profile?
No, we'll don't put Open Studio because of some of the MNCs. Nobody will use it, right? So we'll put data integration or big data integration. Anyone, okay? Will not mention Open Studio. I will give you sample resumes. Will help you how to prepare the sample resumes. So I will give the sample resumes. You can prepare it, okay? So we'll help you everything.
Okay.
You will get a lot of support from my side. Along with I have created some group in Facebook as well as WhatsApp. If you have any issues, that group only from my institute people only will be there, no other people. Okay, so we can keep on interacting. Suppose if you face any issues, I may help you. My team members, means our institute people, existing people, they will help. Okay. I can say it is the talent is very easy tool to learn it, not require that programming language. We can easily survey in the IT industry. Any doubts, team? I'm planning to start this batch next Thursday, coming week Thursday. Okay. So today I'm simply conducting demo. Okay. So because of I have some more people is joining for a 12th. Maybe due to this festival, they're asking to conduct next week. Okay. So if I have sufficient people, I can continue tomorrow itself. But I will let you know in a group. Please let me know if you are interested to learn talent. Okay. So the course duration 35 to 40 days. The classes from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday will give for practice. Okay, because of some people are busy with working Monday to Friday, right? So they can practice Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so sometimes we will conduct Saturday. Okay, because of at the time of explaining SQL data warehousing concept. Okay, because of some people already know, so that time we will conduct Saturday classes. Sometimes, not all the day. Okay. Daily class timing is I am fine with the 7:30. From 7:30 to 9 I am free. So as per now we have committed for 7:45 a.m. to 8:45. It may increase, means up to 9, maximum 9. 15 minutes, 10 to 10, some day 5 minutes, sometime 10 minutes, sometime 15 minutes, maximum 9 p.m. 9 a.m. will close it. 7:45 to 9 a.m. class daily. Okay. So 1 hour is perfect. Based on the explanation, sometimes 5 minutes it may increase, right? So that's why overall I am telling 9 a.m. Okay. I am fine with from 7 a.m. also, because of based on your interest, we'll decide the timing. So as per now, timing is 7:45 to 8:45. No change as per now. Okay. If all people, everybody is okay, means we'll go for 7:30 to 8:45 something. Okay, based on the people decision. Okay, is the time is suitable, team, for everybody? 7:45 to 8:45.
Yeah.
So we have one more batch. So that is 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. So this is we are in almost 75% is done. So this month end maybe we'll start another batch. That is the timing. That is for another batch. Don't worry. For this batch, as per now, 7:45 to 9.
And Venkat, I
Okay,
have one
team.
more query.
This is my mobile number. Once, yes, 9538160185. You can confirm me. You can ping me. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. If you're interested, confirm me, no problem. If you're not interested, ignore, no problem. Okay. If you're
Yeah, Venkat.
satisfied.
Venkat, I have one
Yes,
more
please.
quick query.
Yes,
Uh,
please.
To install our personal laptops, this software, what is the system configuration does required?
Minimum 2 GB is RAM. 256 GB is enough. It's occupy very less. 10 GB, 5 GB, 2 GB is enough for a space. That's it. You can develop it.
Mhm.
It's not because of this is a see I know that other ETL tools it may take a lot of time to install it. I know that data stage informatic also it may take a very long time, another minimum 2 hours it will may take it, but Talend within half an hour will cover it. So we'll provide you all the softwares. I will give you the Talend, Oracle, SQL developer, all what are the required softwares, everything will give you. Okay, I will take the if you are confirming. So I will give you all the softwares in the drive access. You can download it. So I will explain how to install all the softwares. So that is called as the software installation, right? Okay. Any doubts, Steve?
Venkat, so Rama speaking. So what
Yes,
exactly Talend? Only for data integration?
yes. Cloud integration.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mainly for
So,
cloud, mainly cloud, right? Because of nowadays all the project they're moving AWS cloud systems, right? AWS, Aurora DB, Redshift,
okay.
they're loading the data into the right. So suppose I want to read the data, I can easily read it. We can
Okay.
perform the transformation, load into the target, then reporting. Yes.
So from the Talend to will import the data to required domain like SQL or Redshift or somewhere, right? Like that?
Yeah.
Or MySQL?
We can read n number of databases.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose I have a source, assume that I'm running one business, assume that Reliance business, their daily transactions, right? The data marts. Suppose for the Mumbai branch, they are using Oracle. Suppose Bangalore branch, they are using MySQL. Chennai branch, they are using the SQL server. So all the data, they can integrate it. They can read it. So they can load
Okay.
into the one single database like Redshift.
Okay. What type of data sources usually it will load or integrate or import kind? Only CSV or
It will support all the types like text
all the
files,
type?
CSV, Excel. This
Oh,
is the Talend is a very good feature for reading the JSON XML file.
okay. Mm-hmm.
So
Oh,
this is the other ETL tools is a little bit
like, even though it
not
is
that.
if it is unstructured data also it will process.
Yes,
Will it process?
structure and unstructured both we can read it and we can load into the
Mm-hmm.
target.
Okay.
So this is the XML, JSON, text files along with the databases. We'll cover everything. Pixel length files.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Rob.
No problem.
Any doubts? I'm going to stop it. If I get minimum 8 people, I can start from next week onwards. Okay. So if you're interested, let me know in the. I have pinged. Let me ping you my number here. So 9538160185. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. If you're confirming, okay. So let me know. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for your valuable time. Okay. Thank you, guys.